If you're a man over 40 and struggling with weak erections, low stamina, or reduced confidence in the bedroom, you're not alone. Studies show that more than 40% of men after 40 experience some form of erectile dysfunction. But here's the truth doctors want you to know. In many cases, the problem isn't permanent, and you don't always need expensive pills or risky treatments to fix it. Weak erections often happen because of poor blood circulation, weak pelvic floor muscles, and declining testosterone levels, all natural changes that come with age. But the good news, you can reverse most of it naturally. Doctors now recommend specific simple exercises that improve blood flow, boost testosterone, and strengthen the exact muscles responsible for harder, longer-lasting erections. No drugs, no complicated routines. Just a few science-backed movements you can do at home in just minutes a day. In this video, we'll reveal the 3 most powerful doctor-approved exercises that can restore your vitality, supercharge your performance, and rebuild your confidence, even if you're in your 40s, 50s, or beyond. Watch closely, because these simple steps could change your life. When it comes to improving erection quality and overall performance, squats are one of the most powerful exercises doctors recommend. Why? Because squats target your largest muscle groups, the glutes, quads, and hamstrings, which triggers a natural boost in testosterone production. And higher testosterone means better libido, improved stamina, and stronger erections. But that's not all. Squats also improve blood circulation throughout the body, especially in the lower pelvic region. Since healthy erections depend on proper blood flow, this exercise directly supports your ability to achieve and maintain firmness. How to do it correctly. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Keep your chest up and back straight. Slowly lower your hips as if you're sitting back into a chair. Go as low as you comfortably can, keeping your knees aligned with your toes. Push through your heels to return to the starting position. Perform 12 to 15 reps for 3 sets, 3 to 4 times a week. Start slow if you're new to exercise. Focus on controlled movements, proper form, and steady breathing. Over time, as your legs get stronger, your testosterone levels rise, blood flow improves, and you'll notice better energy, stamina, and erection quality. This single move is a game changer for men over 40. Simple, natural, and highly effective. When it comes to improving erection strength and overall stamina, planks are one of the most effective exercises doctors recommend for men over 40th. Planks engage your and core muscles, your lower back, glutes, and pelvic region, areas directly linked to better blood circulation and sexual performance. A strong core helps stabilize your pelvis and improves the flow of oxygen-rich blood to the erectile tissues, making it easier to achieve and maintain firmness. How to do it correctly. Start by lying face down on the floor. Place your forearms flat on the ground with elbows under your shoulders. Lift your body off the floor, balancing on your toes and forearms. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. Hold this position for 20 to 40 seconds. To start, gradually increasing up to 60 seconds. As you get stronger, perform 3 to 4 sets daily for the best results. Planks also reduce belly fat, which plays a big role in boosting testosterone levels naturally. Over time, this simple yet powerful exercise will improve your endurance, balance, and pelvic stability, all essential for stronger, longer-lasting erections. Stay consistent, and you'll notice significant improvements in both your fitness and performance. Glute bridges. Unlock pelvic strength and blood flow. Glute bridges are one of the most effective exercises for men over 40 struggling with weak erections. Doctors recommend them because they strengthen the glutes, lower back, and pelvic floor muscles, all of which play a direct role in blood circulation to the erectile tissues. Better pelvic strength means better control, stamina, and firmer erections. How to do it correctly. Lie flat on your back with knees bent and feet flat on the floor, hip-width apart. Place your arms by your sides for support. Press through your heels and lift your hips off the ground until your body forms a straight line from shoulders to knees. Hold the top position for 2 to 3 seconds, squeezing your glutes. Slowly lower your hips back down. Perform 12 to 15 reps for 3 sets, 3 to 4 times a week. Glute bridges also relieve tension in the lower back, improve posture, and enhance overall pelvic stability. When combined with squats and planks, this exercise maximizes blood flow, boosts testosterone naturally, and helps restore your performance and confidence. By the way, friends, see you soon for more interesting facts about human body.